In this lecture, let us discuss about software testing. Today's world of technology is completely dominated by machines and their behavior is controlled by the software powering it. Quality assurance or software testing is crucial because it identifies errors or bugs from a system at the beginning. Software testing is a process of evaluating the functionality of a software application in order to find any software bugs. It checks whether the developed software met the specified requirements and identifies any defect in the software in order to produce a quality product. It is also stated as a process of verifying and validating a software product. It checks whether the software product meet the business and technical requirements that guided its design and development, and it will check whether the software product works as per the requirements suggested by the client and whether the software product can be implemented with the same characteristics. Why is software testing required? The first one is cost effective. Testing helps identify defects or bugs in the software, such as functionality issues, logic errors, or performance bottlenecks. By identifying these issues early in the development process, teams can address them before they escalate into more significant problems that may be costly to fix. Second one is security. This is the most sensitive and vulnerable part of software testing. Users are always looking for trusted products that they can rely on. It helps in removing problems and risks beforehand. Third one is optimizing performance. Testing evaluates the performance and scalability under different conditions and workloads. By measuring response times, throughput, and resource utilization, teams can optimize the software's performance to ensure it can handle expected loads and scale effectively as needed. Fourth one is reducing risks. Testing actually helps mitigate risks associated with the software failures. By identifying and fixing defects early, teams can minimize the likelihood of system crashes, data corruption, security breaches, and other potential issues that may lead to financial losses or damage to reputation. Fifth one is product quality. In order to make your product vision come to life, it has to work as planned. It is important to follow the product requirements because it helps you get the required end results. So these product requirements are the ones which are provided by the customer. So in order to get the required end results, we need to follow the product requirements perfectly. Last one is customer satisfaction. Testing ensures that the software meets users' expectations and requirements. By validating against user stories, specifications, and use cases, teams can verify that the software behaves as intended and delivers the desired features and functionalities. Here, the software should be tested in order to bring the best user experience possible.